Hi guys, my name is Meredith here at Revitalize MD, and I am a laser technician and skincare specialist. For those of you who have already liked and subscribed our page, we really appreciate you. For those of you that are yet to do so, please do that whenever you get a chance so we can share more content with you and so you can learn all the details of everything that we do here at Revitalize MD. So today we're going to talk about an exciting thing called the triple glow. If you have never had a triple glow, that is something that we offer exclusively here at Revitalize MD. I kind of honestly came up with it in my sleep, and Dr. Durst was the very first person that I did the treatment on, and she said, you know what, I love this. I love the way it feels. We don't have to use any numbing cream for it. It's quick. You're in and out in 45 minutes. With minimal to no downtime. So let me just go into a few of the details about the process of this treatment so you guys can know what to look for and if this is something that may interest you to doing in the future, because we can do this treatment on all ages. It's really great for mature skin and younger skin. It doesn't matter if you're acne prone. It doesn't matter what your skin concerns are. It really can help treat all concerns. So the triple glow is going to be great for getting rid of any of that peach fuzz hair that we kind of have growing on our skin as we get a little bit older, and younger folks as well have that peach fuzz. So we dermaplane to get rid of that peach fuzz. So basically we're just using a blade to kind of scrape dead skin cells off, and it gets rid of that fine hair that's really hard to grab a hold of. So professional dermaplaning. And then we go into the Hydrafacial. So we skip a couple of the steps for the Hydrafacial in order to really keep your skin and your pH level normalized through this process. So we skip the acid, which is typically step 3 of this process. So we'll do 1 and 2, skip the acids to leave the burning sensation to a minimum. We don't want to add that glycol, glycolic acid to the treatment area because, of course, we're going directly on top of this with a laser. We want to do the dermaplaning first. That's the first part of the triple glow. Then we're going to go to the Hydrafacial and do our exfoliation step. And then we're also going to do the extraction step. And then once we get past that, let your skin dry out a little bit. And we're gonna go directly into the LUTRONIC Ultra Glow laser. This is a very gentle, non-ablative laser that's going to help with pigment, fine lines, all of the things except for getting rid of the hair and extracting and doing all the things that we're taking care of in the dermaplaning and the Hydrafacial section. The LUTRONIC Ultra Glow is something that we do on a daily basis. All of our patients love it. We do a lower setting for the Ultra Glow and Triple Glow series just because we eliminate the process of having to put the numbing cream on. So that reduces the time restraint for people by about 20 minutes. We'll add a fan to it if we need to, just to keep the temperature down. And it really is gentle, non-aggressive, and an easy procedure. So people do not complain about pain with this one. The temperature increases a little bit on your skin, obviously, because it goes deeper under those layers and then penetrates out to the surface. So turn the temperature down just a little bit. Briefly go over all the areas underneath the eyes as well if you choose. And then that basically is the last of the triple glow. We're applying some silver gel to help cool it down. We also typically offer a biocellulose mask by SkinCeuticals post-treatment, especially if people are going back to work or they have a special occasion that night. The redness of that really fades quickly within about 2 to 3 hours. Your skin is clear, it's cleaned out, it's freshly lasered, and the glow post-treatment of this is just amazing. So after just one treatment, you're gonna get immediate results, and those lasting results are about 3 to 4 weeks as that skin cell turnover happens and you see newer, better, combination of skin through the stimulation of collagen by doing the lasers. In review today, we basically went over the triple glow, which is a dermaplaning and then a portion of the Hydrafacial, the exfoliation and the extraction phases, and then we do the LUTRONIC Ultra Glow as the third step of the triple glow. Again, this is exclusive with Revitalize MD, and if you would like to know more information, if you are local in the area, please look below in the comments, like and subscribe, and I hope you all have a great day.